Welcome to Solving Citizen Legal Encounters. All right, today we have a pro se defendant in court with an attitude, and they want to go to trial on a traffic ticket. So let's go in and see how entertaining it's going to be. And before we go in, I want to welcome Eileen to the membership. Eileen, thank you for joining. Check out the community post. There's something there for you. Let's go.
Let's go with Clark. We ready? Come on up. All right, Janiah Clark. Okay. I'm sorry.
Your Honor, all officers except for Officers Pearson and Kirilova would be excused at this time, and I don't anticipate anyone going on probation. If we could excuse Ms. James as well.
All right, that works. Ms. James, you're excused. Officers Kirilova, and except for Kirilova and Pearson, all those officers are excused. Thank you. All right, Ms. Clark, this is how this goes. So the state has the burden of proving the case against you beyond a reasonable doubt. You do not have to present any evidence or testimony, and nobody can force you to. You have a Fifth Amendment constitutional right against self-incrimination, which means you don't have to say anything. Everything that they need to prove their case, that they have to present to the court, and it has to be beyond a reasonable doubt. If you wish to question any witnesses that they bring to testify, you may ask them questions, but please try not to make any statements like, well, the way I saw it or what I did. What you want to do is ask them questions about their testimony, okay? So I'm not even going to swear you in because at this point, we don't know if you're going to give up your right to remain silent and testify. If you wish to do that after the state has presented their case, then feel free, we'll go over that, your rights with you. But until such time, you can just ask questions, but don't make any statements that might incriminate you, okay? Mm-hmm. All right, you gotta say yes or no, because I gotta hear you.
Yes, ma'am, I heard you.
All right, thank you. All right, so state may call its first witness.
Yes, Your Honor, may I have one moment just to scan the diagram that I'm gonna be using for myself? I'll be right back, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you for that moment, Your Honor.
All right. You may call your first witness. This is a case of Janiah Monique Clark, 2024 TK 01541.
Yes, Your Honor. State's going to call Officer Micaiah Pearson.
Hello.
Hey, Officer Pearson, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm any testimony you give today shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you very much. Let me lower your hand. Your name for the court.
You said what again?
Please state your name for the court.
Detective Pearson.
Thank you, Detective Pearson. Detective Pearson, how are you currently employed?
Yes, I'm with Clayton County Police Department.
Okay. And working for Clayton County, are you post-certified?
Yes.
Being post-certified, are you authorized to investigate crimes, issue traffic citations, and make arrests based on your investigations?
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been with Clayton County?
Almost 3 years.
Okay. Were you working for Clayton County on January 17th of 2024?
Yes.
Okay. Do you recall your duties that day?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What were your duties that day?
Patrolling the area, going to incident locations for certain calls, and doing traffic pullovers.
Okay. Do you recall making contact with the defendant before you, Miss Janiah Clark?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Can you tell me about how that happened?
I was posted up making 72s on Taylor Road, and the Janiah Clark, she ran the stop sign due to not making a complete stop, made contact with her, and she informed me that she knew she didn't make a complete stop because of a bathroom issue, but I still gave her a citation due to not making a complete stop at the stop sign.
Okay, you mentioned a 72. Can you tell me what a 72 is?
A traffic pullover.
Okay. And you mentioned, excuse me, and you mentioned that Miss Clark, that you made contact with Miss Clark. Uh, did she speak with you?
You said, did she speak with me?
Yes. Did you have contact? Did you have you made you did make contact, and she told you about why she didn't stop, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Did all this occur in Clayton County?
Yes.
Okay. Was the stop sign clearly visible?
Yes.
Okay. Did you were you wearing a body camera that day?
I was.
Okay. Um, did the body camera capture the entire event?
My dash cam did, and then when I made contact with her physically, my body cam did. But
Okay.
my dash cam did catch her passing a stop sign.
Okay, then let me see if I can pull up that dash cam then. If I were to show you a dash cam of the event, would you be able to verify that it's what occurred?
You said what?
If I showed you the dash cam, could you verify that it is in fact your dash cam?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, I'd like to share my screen.
All right.
Okay. Oh, my apologies. Okay. I'm gonna play the dash cam at this point. Okay. I am stopping the dash cam at 16 seconds. What did we just see, ma'am?
You said what?
I just played your camera. Is this your camera, your dash camera from the evening?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I'm gonna start over at 0. I want you to tell me what you see, okay?
I don't know if you're thinking what I'm thinking, but it doesn't seem like a whole lot of interest is going into this case.
Okay, I'm stopping the dash cam at 12 seconds. Oh, can you tell me what you just observed?
I observed Janiyah Clark skipping through the stop sign.
Okay, I'm gonna show it to you one more time, and I want you to tell me at what moment you see her approach and at what moment you see it stop. Okay, you see her drive through, okay? Okay, starting over at 0 seconds.
Right there, she ran right past the stop sign.
Okay. Just
You said what, sir?
just to aid the court, is that the stop sign? Detective Pearson, is that the stop sign she ran?
1 second. I'm trying to zoom in. The camera is a little blurry. Yes, I believe so. Or it's a little further back. I can't really see because I'm
Okay,
on my cell phone.
okay, if I play it a little further up, let's see. Does it appear to be the stop sign?
Yes, that's what it looks like.
Okay. Did she at any time stop?
No, she did not make a complete stop.
Okay.
She had knowledge of that, but she said that she didn't make a complete stop due to a bathroom issue.
From what I saw, she didn't slow down. She sped up when she went through that stop sign.
Okay. And after observing this, you made contact with her, correct?
Yes, it did.
And I want to ask you, give me one moment to get your body cam teed up. Is this your body cam from that evening?
It is.
Okay. It is starting it at 53 seconds.
Mr. Tipton, there seems to be an audio issue.
My apologies, Your Honor. I always forget I have to turn the sound on with these. It is restarting video at.
I literally look now. I literally got.
It is restarting video at 1 minute 15 seconds.
Can you let this window down?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You ran right past the stop sign.
If you let me step out, I can show you why. I literally change myself.
You said what?
I use it on myself. Like when I'm trying to change my tempo and my stuff, I use it on myself. I can step out and show you.
No, thank you. Wait, you mean what if somebody was walking?
No, I literally look now. I literally got like literally trying to get down the street. Like I literally used it on myself already. On God.
Oh, you got your ID?
Yeah.
You got your insurance? 33 check on by Olin.
This on my phone.
Alright, give me a second.
It is stopping the video at 2 minutes and 1 second. Okay. Detective Pearson, from what you saw, did he admit to running the stop sign? Detective Pearson?
You may need to unmute Detective Pearson.
I think she's frozen, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah, that's possible too.
Now, if you notice, she was a passenger in the vehicle and the vehicle was moving. I feel if you're in court, one, you don't know how your signal's going to hold up. And two, it should be total focus on the court. I'll let you say the rest.
Stop share, Mr. Tipton. Let's see where
Yeah.
she disappeared to.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think she's rebooting. All right, can somebody call her and see if we can get her back on?
Yes, Your Honor. Investigator Robinson, please contact her.
Attorney Tipton, I couldn't hear you.
Investigator Robinson, please contact Detective Pearson. She seems to have had some technical difficulties.
Okay.
Your Honor, it appears Detective Pearson is back on.
All right, Detective Pearson, go ahead, Mr. Tipton.
Just park real quick.
Detective Pearson, did you have an opportunity to see? Did you see what occurred in the video?
Yes, it cut off when you was asking me a question. I saw the video.
Driving stop sign.
You said what again?
Did she admit to driving through the stop sign?
When I told her that she drove past the stop sign, she said that it was a bathroom issue relating to her not making a complete stop.
I got you. And based on what you saw in the video, you stated that she just blew through the stop sign. Is that correct?
She didn't make a complete stop. She went past the stop sign.
Okay. And based on what you saw today, is it still your opinion that sign?
Yes, that's my opinion, that she did not make a complete stop. She did not make a complete stop, which is why I cited her.
Okay. Did all this occur inside of Clayton County?
Yes, it did.
Okay. No further questions at this time. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Miss Clark, did you have any questions for Officer Pearson?
Can she see the stop sign in the video?
Officer Pearson, did you see the stop sign where'd she go? Did you
I'm
see
right
the
here.
stop? Okay. Were you able to see the stop sign in the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ms. Clark?
I know we're not supposed to make any statements, but she made plethora of opinions. And I heard her opinion plethora of times, and I'm pretty sure y'all have this Zoom recorded where she said multiple times she doesn't see the stop sign.
I get that, but at the end of it, she said she identified where the stop sign was.
Correct.
Well, she also said her opinion. She didn't make a statement and she didn't ask a question. She said, I don't know. I heard that she could. I don't know. It's my turn.
Okay.
Who's that?
Hold on.
What's your question, Ms. Clark?
She definitely said clearly as day, I don't know if I see the stop sign. Even when they zoomed in, she said, I don't know. And when you just asked her, did she admit? She said, "Oh, I don't know. My opinion." She said she had a bathroom issue. That doesn't mean I admitted to anything.
Your Honor, I think that this would be more appropriate to hear an argument.
All right. So,
I know I was very appropriate. I let her speak, and she started.
Miss Clark, you're not asking a question, ma'am.
No, I was making a statement like she made her opinion.
Yeah, but you're not. Remember what I said at the beginning, Miss Clark, that this is not the. Miss Clark, you gotta listen if you're gonna understand the procedure. You don't know anything about trial. So can I tell you what I'm trying to tell you? Miss Clark, you gotta stop talking. You ready to listen? All right, I've seen enough. I find you guilty based on the fact that when she approached your vehicle, you explained that you had run the stop sign, so you admitted to it. You're guilty.
Oh, she done messed up now.
What's the fine that you wish to impose, Mr. Tipton?
I didn't even get a chance to speak.
Ma'am, you spoke a lot. You didn't get a chance to hush and listen to me because I've explained this procedure a lot. It is a trial. It is not a free-for-all. Say what I want to say when I want to say it. There's a procedure, and I explained to you what would happen. And then when I kept trying to explain it, you kept talking. That's not how this goes.
You're being very hostile.
Huh?
I'm not being hostile. I tried to explain to you. I kept saying, Miss Clark, hold on, Miss Clark, stop talking. And you just kept talking. But what I've said is that the state has the burden of proving their case beyond a reasonable doubt. There may have been a doubt when they showed the video where you were going past and she had trouble identifying the stop sign, but there was no doubt when you started talking on the video, on the body cam video, talking about how you passed the stop sign. And can I explain? So there's no doubt. It's no guilty with an explanation. You said you passed the stop sign. That's it. So they've made their case. Now, I could give you the opportunity to talk and tell me what you think, but you're going to have to follow the rules.
I was trying to follow the rules and she literally came.
No, ma'am, you were not. What I said was at that point, it was time for questions. If you didn't have a question, it wasn't time for you to make a statement. I was trying to tell you that, but you kept making statements. And I'm spending way more time than I need to explaining this to you because I got other stuff to do.
Okay.
Now, did you want to make a statement?
I can make a statement now?
Sure, if you want to. You're going to waive your right to remain silent, obviously.
Well, I guess not.
No, it's up to you.
It's fine, because I don't think we're going to get nowhere.
Ma'am, because there may, like I said, there may have been a doubt if they had only played the first video. Then they played the second video. Okay. Where you're clearly on there talking about how you ran the stop sign, but you showing her your issues and trying to explain to her why you did it. And she said, what if somebody were walking? And you said, well, I looked further down the street.
I didn't hear any of that. Like in that clip, I didn't hear any of that.
Oh, no, she didn't.
Go ahead, replay it, Mr. Tipton.
You don't have to replay it. Y'all could just start speaking on y'all, whatever.
Replay it, Mr. Tipton.
Hold on, ma'am. Hold on. I know that, but you can't be rude to the judge.
I'm not being rude.
Just let her talk. Just let her talk.
I did.
Stand up, let her talk. Just let her talk.
This is this generation. They don't want to listen to anybody. They don't want to hear the rules. They just want to talk and think that they're going to overtalk you and it's going to be okay. There's rules to this. If you don't want to follow them, fine. But what I'm telling you is I've explained the whole procedure to you. And then I was willing to explain it again. So I've seen enough. The state has made its case. You're guilty of the offense of running the stop sign. What's the fine, Mr. Tipton, that the state is asking for? Mr. Tipton, you're muted.
$300 fine, Your Honor.
All right, the fine will be $300. With the surcharges, it'll be $444. If you wish to pay it today, that's fine. If you need additional time, I can give you up to 60 days to pay without putting you on probation.
Why is it $300 for her running the stop sign?
That's what they asked for.
Your Honor, he had the previous running a stop sign from 2024 and a super speeder from 2023.
Oh, so she's a frequent flyer. Oh, a frequent speeder?
But they use my domestic violence case against me. That's not fair. How can they use that against me?
Stop sign.
Ma'am, they're not using a domestic violence case against you. You have a super speeder. Ma'am, nobody's using a domestic violence case. You have a super speeder.
Super speeder.
That's why, that's for my domestic violence case. They can't use that against me.
It is a super,
Y'all cannot use that against me. This one.
ma'am, it doesn't, I don't have anything there's nothing that says there's no domestic violence case. It's a super speeder.
Yes, they do in County. I still have to go to court for that still. Like, they cannot use that against me. My victim advocate can tell you they can't use that against me. That's not fair. They know what I was running from. They cannot use that. Now I'm getting mad because y'all cannot use that against me in this courtroom. And they know that I'm still dealing with that case in County.
All right, do we have any other cases? Mr. Fonseca wishes to have the trial. I'm gonna go ahead and mute the courtroom. Deputy, she can be escorted out because I'm not using any domestic violence. All I'm using is a super speeder conviction. That's traffic. So a $300 fine, ma'am, I'll give you 30 days in which to pay it. If you want to get your paperwork, you can go down to the second floor to the traffic court window, turn left once you come into the second floor, and then they'll give you your paperwork at the traffic court window. Failure to pay it could result in an arrest warrant being issued. So I'll give you 30 days in which to pay. All right, thank you.
Your Honor, excuse me?
Yes.
Am I free to go?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Detective Pearson.
No problem.
Now that drama went from 0 to 100 in 1.2 seconds. So the young lady really wasn't listening to the judge. Now this judge is pretty fair and she likes to explain everything, but she already had an attitude, in my opinion, when she was in there, and she really didn't like what was going on. And also, there were some issues that I think kind of how the testimony was going on, and we'll discuss that in the comments, but just how things were going with the case, the paying attention and things like that, I just felt like it could have been a lot better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you around on the next one.